Hey everybody, this is Riff. How you doing out there? I hope everybody's doing great. Sorry it's been a while since I've posted, but I've been through a personal tragedy, and I'm not going to go into details about that right now, but time to move on and get back to making some videos. And today I have for you the 114th Rlaarlo. I guess that's how everybody's pronouncing it. I'm sure you've seen this by now. There's been literally hundreds of videos on it. So I'm not going to do like a complete unboxing of, in detail about it, because that's all out there everywhere. But I wanted to get this because, you know, I have the WL Toys version. And you know, the WL Toys 14001, I believe it is. And this is a great little car. It's lots of fun, runs really good. And I have the brushed version, and they do have, of course, they've went through one or two brushless versions of it already. The first one had problems, it cogged and stuff, so they came out with a version 2 where they kind of corrected that. But I was interested in this one because, you know, it came brushless to start with, but the carbon fiber body is what I was really interested in, because it makes it lighter. And lighter means, you know, less damage. I don't do a lot of speed runs or anything like that here where I live. I don't really have a place to do that, but except out on the street, and I live on a very busy street. So the only time I can really do something like that is like really early in the morning or late at night. And even late at night it gets quite a bit of traffic. But I still wanted to get this because it just looks overall like a really decent little 114th buggy. I do, however, have a problem with the company Rlaarlo and their new, what's the other version? They also have that bowl. They just came out with a truck. It's they're under two different names, but it's the same company. I don't know if any of you guys have experienced this that have channels, but I got an email from them, you know, telling me that they wanted me to review their vehicle, but on the condition I had to pay for it up front, and then they would refund me if I gave them a 5-star review. Now, I don't know how you guys feel about that, but I think that's kind of janky. And first of all, you know, if your product's good, let it speak for itself. Don't bribe people to give it a 5-star review. You know what I'm saying? And from what I've seen of this vehicle, it looks to be really great. I don't see the reason why they need to bribe people to give a review like that. But it just really kind of got under my skin that they were going to make me buy it up front and bribe me with a 5-star review to get it for free after the fact. And that didn't sit well with me. And just recently I got another email from them about this new truck that they have out, that they're people are doing reviews on right now, the BUGGY or whatever the hell it's called. And it was the same deal. Buy the truck up front myself, and if I give a review, you know, that they would refund me. And first of all, that's against Amazon policy to do that. And secondly, you know, I just think it's janky that they're doing that. I think it takes away from the integrity of their company. You know, they seem to be making pretty good products. That's cool, but it doesn't sit well with me that they're bribing people for better reviews. But anyway, all of that aside, I was going to tell you what my plans are for it. I paid for mine cash with my own money, and no refunds or review bullshit here. You're getting it straight from me. But you guys already know that it's a great looking little buggy. It seems to be super well made. I really like how they packaged it. I love that it comes with all the extra spare parts and everything, which I think is really cool that they do that. And I'll tell you what my plans are for it. I'm not doing anything really drastic with it. What I am, I've watched a number of, unboxings and test runs of this thing. So what I gathered from it made me decide how I wanted to proceed. And most of the problems that I've seen with this seem to be related to the receiver and transmitter. So I opted that I'm probably not going to be sticking with this. What I decided to do was I went ahead and got a Dumbo RC transmitter and receiver with the gyro and an ESC, separate ESC. It has a good servo in it. And what I plan on doing is replacing the ESC and the receiver with this gyro receiver so it handles better at the higher speeds on 3S. And I also got foam road tires for it so that it'll handle better on the pavement. But that's my plans for it. I think it'll be a fun little car. It seems to be, super well made. I love this carbon. I think that was a really cool and innovative thing to do. And I love that it has the wheelie bar. But Rlaarlo, why you're making this nice car? Why are you bribing people to give you 5-star reviews? That's just not cool, man. If you're gonna send us out samples, just send them out. Don't let people give honest reviews. Don't make them. I know they did send some to people without making them pay for them first, but they're, I guess, smaller channels that don't have the viewership of the big ones. They want us to buy them first and then reimburse us after we give them a good review, which I think is janky. But, it seems to be a great product. I don't see the reason for them to do that. That's just crazy to me. But it also makes me lose a lot of respect for them as a company. But that's my feelings about it. But anyways, like I said, it looks to be a great little car with a little bit of innovation. I like the vehicle. But that's my plans for it, and hopefully we've got rain literally for the next week solid, so I doubt I'll be able to do much with it, because I do want to run it stock first before I do any of the changes. But that's my plans. I hope you'll stick around to see what happens with it. And I hope everybody's doing great out there. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. That's it for now. Riff out.